So I'm going to go ahead and update. Well, everything is good to go there. Close this out. And then I want you to click on the 3 lines right here and then exit to dashboard. So that is how you optimize your blog for the best user experience and to get the most engagement. And right here, you can access all your posts. And now you can see them categorized, nutrition. So you'd want to update these as well. So let's head back and visit site. So now you know how to edit any page on your blog. And next, I'm going to show you how to edit the header in the footer area of your blog. Now to edit your header, it's a little bit different. You're going to head up here to customize and go ahead and click that. And then to change your logo right here, you would head over here and click on this blue pencil. Then you can change your logo right here just by clicking Change Logo. Now to edit your footer, just go ahead and X out of this. And then head over here to Edit with Elementor and then click on Footer right here. And this is exactly the same. You can change the text right here. Of course, add in a new logo, your social channels. So you can click on these, can pop in the URL for each social channel. Or if you wanted to change, you can click on the icon library and search for different icons for your different social channels, and it's that easy. So that's it. That's how you edit your footer area. So if you make any changes, go ahead and update. Okay, so we are done here. Let's go ahead and click on these 3 lines and then exit to dashboard. And then click on the home right here to visit the home page of the site. And that is how you edit your header and footer area. Now, what if you wanted to add in a new page? Say, for example, a product page. All you would do is head over here to New and then click on Page. Go ahead and title your page here. And then click Edit with Elementor. So now it will take you to this blank section, and now you have a couple of options to create your page. Now first, you can use the elements, which are over here, and then drag and drop them into this area. So for example, if you want to add a heading, you can just drag and drop this element here, and then add in your text. And to add an image, you can drag and drop this element. So drag and drop it here, and start creating your page. Or you can use a pre-built template. So we'll head down here, click on History, and then click Editing Started. And it will start back from the very beginning. Now we can click on one of these 2 to add in a page template. Now we've already been using this right here, which is Astra Starter Sites. So let's try this one. So we click this, and this is the Elementor page templates. So they have a lot of different pages. Now these are individual pages. So we'll search for product. And I like this one right here. So we can take a look at it. Awesome, right? And I'll import this entire page. So we want to click Insert. Now we need to connect to Elementor to make this work. So you just got to simply register real quick. Then it will take you back to the Elementor dashboard. So we want to head back to our pages. So click on Pages and then All Pages. And now you're going to head down to your product page. And this is the draft because we haven't published the page yet. So we're going to go ahead and click Edit with Elementor. And then we'll click back into the Elementor template library right here. Then search for product. Here it is right here. Then we're going to go ahead and insert it. Awesome. So here's the completed page in one click. Pretty awesome, right?
On WordPress should be as intuitive and simple as writing a blog post.
Go ahead and pause this. Yeah, and this is the same process. Just click in here and you can start typing away. You can change the images. Click in the pencil. There's the image right there. If you wanted to change this YouTube video, you click on the pencil and you pop in your YouTube video right there. Or if you didn't want this, you could just X that entire section out. That easy. And we can go back in history and then get rid of everything, or we can go ahead and add it back in. Pretty cool, right? So once you're done, go ahead and publish.
We believe designing a website on WordPress should be as intuitive and simple as writing a blog post.
Now we can take a look at it. And that is how you create a page. Looks awesome, right? So what if we wanted to add our product page to our menu up here? All we would have to do is head over here to your site name and then click on menus. And then we can customize our menu just how we want it. So here's our menu right here, and here are all our pages. So here's our product page. We can click this and then click add to menu. There it is. And then we can move it around just how we want it. Pretty cool, right? Now say if we didn't want it, let me just go ahead and save the menu and show you what this looks like. Now we can head back up here and take a look. There it is. There's our product page. Awesome, right? So if we head back, go to menus, and we wanted to remove anything, all you would have to do is toggle this and then remove, and it will remove it from the menu altogether. So for any of these pages, if you don't want any of them, just remove them. So I can remove, and boom, you're good to go. So that's it. This is how you can add new pages to your website. So now you know how you can launch your website and blog by getting a domain and hosting, input the demo content, and then edit it to make it your own website. So if you're ready to start your blog, just head over to HostGator.com. It will take you to the page which we saw in the first step. Be sure to take advantage of the free domain and your discount by using the coupon code, and build your blog. Thank you very much. My name is James Stafford.